He's got a slip in place and he'll be bowling to Naeem Islam. He's missed out. Can't bowl there. Two quality players. When they're in search of a big score, they'll be playing their shots.
Because he's playing his first game and they're up against some quality players. Too wide, giving the batsman to free his arms, and that's crushed away through the cover boundary.
Gets it away. This time, quick wrists. Look at that ball fly.
Para, short and wide. He needs to get it a little bit closer to the batsman. That's a very good shot.
Intent straight away over the top. Shafiul Islam.
And Naeem Islam just moving away, making room and crashing it over the point, a cover fielder for a boundary. Good start for Naeem Islam as well.
He created that. And he likes that area. Width again. Creates his own width. And picks up back-to-back boundaries. Chipped in the air. And straight away, Brad Hodges' change works.
In his very first delivery, he's forced Ravi Bopara to hit one straight to short mid-wicket and picks up an important wicket. You mentioned about the blistering start, but it's gone haywire at the end. Gone for 9.
No ball. Here we go, free hit. Is this the breathing space that the Chittagong Kings did need?
Tight. You need to have some part of that foot behind that wide.
At the edge of the circle. Clubs it. Very effective indeed, all the way.
Area and got it in the slot. Had enough room to free his arms and pulled it on the onside for a huge 6. It sat up nicely. It was just a touch short.
It was the slower one. But I think Taylor was expecting that. He had no issues at all.
That's over the top. That's going to run away for 4. That is
a plodding innings so far. A bad line to bowl upon. He realized and picked the length too early.
maybe even a slow one. Is that close? Or is it angling down the leg side? I think the angle would have taken it down the leg side. Whatever the Hawkeye shows that it's hitting. But that is a good decision because the umpire has to give the benefit of doubt. And yet he finds the gap.
Yes, the radar of Brandon Taylor, as if he was searching for that gap as quickly as the gap was being given by Brad Hodge.
But that is big. There's no fielder there in any case, but it's gone the distance.
Brandon Taylor from Harare taking the dreams to another level of this crowd. Chittagong crowd on their feet. That turn. Oh, now going for the reverse one. And he had got some great eyes.
A lot of influence on Brendan Taylor, who's also from Zimbabwe. He's gone down the leg side. Got to wait and see what the umpire signals. Is it a wide or did he get anything on it? He got some bat on it.
So good for Chittagong Kings.
He's played another reverse sweep and this time fine, and the fielder let it go. Kabir Ali it is. Top edge and it's curtains. Cards.
The worst fear of Chittagong King finally coming true. Going for that sweep that was never on, and Ilyas Seni just into the attack and guiding the batsman on his way to the dugout. A big wicket indeed. He was the master artisan from the previous match, gone after 14.
That is a good hit. And it's gone the distance as well.
Missed that chance.
Good hit. Has it gone over? Yes, it has. Odds in. Otherwise, this could have been caught.
Every moment is bringing something or the other. Once again, the momentum shifts. Tenduskate, his second 6 of the innings, marginally getting away from Shafiul.
You are not a cricketer, you would be?
I'd be a...
Let me see.
I've lost a wicket.
Fox.
She strikes again. Trina Chauhan strikes again. Brendan Taylor caught in the deep. It was sitting up there to be put into the stands. Oops. Yes, Apu. That's a bit of a relief. Wonderful knock from Taylor. 51 runs. It's 98. Well, she keeps doing it almost every time, isn't it? 90% of the time. She goes down there for an interview. She picks up a wicket.
Down the wicket. Quite couldn't get hold of it. And it's gone into hand. That's what I thought. He didn't strike it properly. And Ilyas Sani gets another score.
He was not going for glory. Just attempting a quiet chip shot. Now he'd be thinking, why didn't I go through that? Abir Ali, he's got big buckets of hands, hasn't he? Yeah, man. Got the wicket. Tendulkar at 24. The Kings are 106 for 4.
Shot. That's cracked over the top of that mid-wicket fielder. That is a big blow.
Of this home crowd. Too short, and that was absolutely hammered upon by Mahmudullah. Great shot in the end. His second six into his 20s now.
And hit that into the gap one more time. 4 more. Turning out to be a big over.
Action has been so good for Chittagong Kings. Great shot in the end by Mahmudullah. His second boundary of the over so far. He is reaching the strike rate. Brilliant effort in the end, but all gracious one in the end.
And just picks up singles. Brings up the 150. Not good enough. It's going to be very, very tough from here on for Chittagong Kings to win this match. More than 15 runs in an over required now. 33 from 13 deliveries. Exact 36 deliveries for each 50. Not good enough while he was in the crease. That's looking good for me. Yep, gone.
Wicket. That would have been a Mahmudullah, but here it was Aftab who was trying for a big shot, cross shot. Mahmudullah just trying to get on the strike, but there is no crossing as far as LBWs are concerned. Aftab Ahmed took his time but departed after contributing 9 only.
Lovely shot. What a shot that is from Mahmudullah. He looks to be in his elements. Just moved away and creamed it through the covers.
It was right into that block hole which is the modern cricket has created. Pitched up, just reaching to that one with his big stride and dispatching it to the boundary line. Mahmudullah, in no time, he's entered into his 40s. 2 4s, 2 6s. Strike rate has been great indeed.
Yeah, not. If you look at the first match that Chittagong Kings played, that's nicely hit. Lovely touch. Back-to-back boundaries from the captain.
Not sure where to pitch it, and Mahmudullah was so sure of his shot. High back lift, touching it from the leg stump and dispatched once again into the right area, creating a wild V for his team.
It's a super shot. Could have been a wide, but has he picked up the boundary? No, he has not. Had he left that one, would have been extra. Oh my God! It looks like it's gone from here.
Total nonsense on the part of Mahmudullah. He should have dragged the bat in, but buffoonery in the end on part of Mahmudullah. He's taking the hopes with himself.
Hopes that look very, very shattered. That's gone through. 4 more. That's one of the reasons why Sean Tate did not take a single. It's gone up in the air and it's gone all the way. That is a 6. The Bodishah Bowlers in the end wins by 6 runs. Not too much of a difference in terms of runs, but in the end Chittagong Kings will once again go back home very, very disappointed. But in the end they find themselves 6 runs short of the target of 182. 51 Brendan Taylor was very good indeed. Then Desgate, what a short file. Looked good to take the game away from Polish Alburners. But when Mahmudullah Riyad got himself run out, it took away the hopes of Chittagong Kings. He made a valuable 45 of 24.
Yes, those partnerships left some sort of a hope for Chittagong Kings, but that batsman just snuffed out the challenge, especially Brendan Taylor and then Desgate as well. That partnership was the key. 31 runs for the third wicket, and then Mahmudullah chipping in the end, but that was not good enough, and then Cooper and Tate just having a mockery of the things so that they could not reach that mountaineous target of 183. So Bars Alburners bowling within their target. Mahmood was amongst the wicket. Azhar Mahmood once again stemming up to the occasion. He was the most successful along with Ilyas Sani, who got 3 men and giving away only 24 runs. Amin, Shafiul, Kapali and Ali also in the end somehow recovered from that bad economy rate with which he started. So Bars Alburners playing in the first innings, courtesy Sabir and Mahmood, got a good total of 182. That became a match-winning one in the end. Cooper and Rubel among the wickets. Chittagong Kings started off well and they were trying to orchestrate that victory, courtesy Taylor and Mahmudullah's innings, but that was not good enough. And as we say, so here, not so far. And once again, this has been an evening of revenge. Chittagong Kings drawing their revenge against Bars Alburners.